It's just hard to believe that it's already been a year. So it's funny for me to listen to myself kind of run through everything that we've done to this truck. My name's Mike Ring, half of the Ringbrothers. I'm lucky enough to win the Battle of the Builders in 2022 with ENYO, the 48 Chevy. Jim and I have been building cars long before we could even drive, and did that because there really wasn't any rules. So it was nice to do stuff where they may not like it, but they can't say that is definitely wrong.
The owner give you free liberty over most of it, or?
I gotta be honest, he did. Yeah, that question about did the owner give us free reign, it was pretty cool to be able to build something like this truck. I don't know that we'll get the opportunity to do another vehicle like this. The owner gave us the ability to build something that we really wanted to do, and we're pretty excited that a lot of people like this. You're never going to please everybody, but I guess we pleased enough to win the Battle of the Builders, so it's pretty cool.
The winner of the Hot Rod and Hot Rod Truck division is Mike Ring.
When I heard my name, I honestly was shocked. It's exciting. It's humbling though.
And the winner of the 2022 SEMA Battle of the Builders, powered by Mothers, is Mike Ring in the 1948 Chevy pickup. Nice job.
We all know the credit goes to everybody at Ringbrothers here. It's a pretty humble group. To win the Battle of Builders for me personally, it's a big deal because it's validated by people that are in the industry. You know, your other builders picking your car, that's hard to beat, you know, and you feel like all your hard work did pay off. We've launched every one of our new cars at SEMA, and I feel like SEMA put us on the map. Now we're lucky that people come to see what we unveil every year. SEMA has made the Ringbrothers, I truly believe that. What I learned from the Battle of Builders is no matter what you think you have or done, somebody's probably bringing something a little cooler, and you may win, but you're always going to look at what somebody else did with bigger eyes than what you brought. I guarantee you that. You're going to look at other people's stuff and go, oh my God. My advice for people entering the competition is just do what's inside you. Don't worry about what other people are doing or building.